Alright, so he just asked me to file a police report.
Gloom, despair, and agony on me. Deep dark depression, excessive misery. If it weren't for bad luck, I'd have no luck at all. Gloom, despair, and agony on me.
Well, not my day today. I stopped in at Bray's Furniture and they had boxes of just pure crap. I'm talking like yarn, glassware, rusted ashtrays, just garbage. Just really should have been put in the garbage. But there was 2 packs of 5055 vacuum bags for Kenmore. The box was marked $4 for everything. The vacuum bags, there was one full pack and one partial pack, and the full pack said $3 for all. Well, I took the vacuum cleaner bags inside, told her about to find them in the box, and I just wanted the vacuum cleaner bags, and would she sell me the vacuum cleaner bags? She said yes, she would, at $3 a pack, which is $6. I said, ma'am, the box wasn't but $4. She just looked at me, so I said, I'll put them back. And I put them back and left. So, can't win them all. Well, my luck is holding. The thrift store's closed. Need Dollar Tree, grand opening. We'll see if we can find anything in here. Well, take my mask off. Not only did they not start over here. Not only did they not have anything, they didn't even have places for the stuff to be. So, no puzzles, no places for the puzzles. None of the stuff I've been buying at Dollar Trees and reselling on eBay. They had absolutely none of it. So, another complete waste of time.
Old Archie never had much money or fame. Fact is, he never had a penny to his name. So to change his luck this year, he's trying this new idea. I never could change my luck, so I'm changing my name.
I don't know if you can read that, especially me shaking like I am, but I am contacting you about the BioRad thing you sold. Sorry, you got a different item. To allow us to proceed, you need to file an incident report with your local police department. The report should contain the following description of item, name of the officer, blah, 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 blah. You can read it if you want to. Let's get the mail. I'll be right back at you. 2 days in a row, I didn't even get so much as junk mail. Well, I'm going to the police department. Can you believe that shit? eBay has decided that I have to have a police report. I know I mentioned this before, but it was in a joking manner, like, really, a police report? You kidding? But yeah, they're for real. They seriously want a police report. So I'm having to stop what I was doing, print off all the information from eBay and from PayPal, I printed off the listing. I printed off all the PayPal information. I printed off the message that eBay sent. I got the package that the fella sent with the wrong part in it. And I'm headed to the police department. Best not tempt fate on today. Today hasn't been a particularly lucky day for me. Trying to think of what else I can tell you about this eBay. This eBay. I don't even know what word to use. Incident. This problem. Yeah. I guess I done showed this to you probably. But report should contain description of item and then like everything about the police officer. So we're gonna go get that. I don't know. Wish us luck. I wanna keep charging this windmill till I knock it down, or it knocks me down. One or the other. I'm kind of thinking that eBay is just setting up a series of hoops that they want people to jump through, and they hope that eventually you'll just get tired of jumping through hoops. But no, this is $200. That might not mean much to some of y'all, and it might mean a great deal to some of y'all. And I tell you the truth, it isn't an insignificant amount of money to me. So we're going to do our best to keep it or get it back. Well, we're here. We keep our police department in the basement. Not sure why. Makes it flood pretty easy though. Anyway, wish me luck. Apparently, we have one cop on duty today, and he's doing something else. But they said I could wait in my car till he gets back. So, yay. After waiting for an hour, like 60 something minutes, I called back and they was like, well, where are you at? I'm like, well, I'm in the parking lot. Well, you need to go down to the sheriff's department. Well, why the hell didn't you say that to start with? So they'll tell me wait in the parking lot. So yeah, my luck has not improved, not one whit. There's the keys. That's the sheriff's department. There's the sheriff's car. I just got out finished talking with a friend of mine's son from high school. He has a grown-ass son with a beard and everything. Guess we're all getting old. But regardless, he took down all my information. He says this has happened quite a bit, actually. He's had problems like this in porch pirates, people stealing mail. And he's had to fill out incident reports. Now, I called the Henderson Police Department. They told me to come. And so I went there and I waited for an hour. I called him when I got there. He said the officer Phelps would be coming back. Blah, 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 blah. Just wait in the parking lot. I did that for an hour. And it was in the wrong parking lot. I called the Henderson Police Department, and apparently it went straight through to the Sheriff's Department. And they never mentioned that there was a Sheriff's Department. So, anyway, more time wasted. Let's see if we can get home without running the car into a ditch. How about that? There's not many problems that can't be solved by the judicious application of barbecue. So we stopped here at Bill Latham's, picked up 1.5 pounds. We're going to take it home, share it out amongst the family. Talk to y'all later.
love Mario. So does he. Blah, blah, blah. Okay.
Did I mention the transmission was acting up in the truck also? Might have slipped my mind.
That was so much better.
Yeah, you like
really
it?
terrific. It was fantastic.
I don't know, the beginning felt pretty good.
Yeah, it was great.
Just I get too much in the end.
No. It was really terrific.
Yeah.
I'd really like to discuss this, but I gotta go say goodnight.
I'll work on it.